Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video, we'll be seeing random package of the NumPy. Now, let us take an array A with the help of. Now, this is the random package. NP is NumPy. NumPy dot random dot permutation. Okay, I'll show you how the permutation works. Next, np.arrange 10. So this we have seen in previous videos. So this will create an array of 10 elements starting with 0 to 9. Okay, and what the permutation will do, it will shuffle the values. Okay, so arrange will create values from 0 to 9 in sequential way, 0 1 2 3 up to 9, but the permutation will do shuffling in between the members, so they will be arranged in any sequence. So now I got this output 3 7 5. Okay, this is 9. Okay, 5 7 1 0 6 2 4 8. Okay, so you may get in anyway. So this is the permutation, and the random package is used for creating any random values. Okay, now next we'll be seeing the rand int. Okay, function in the package random. So how to take it, how to write it, and b equals to np dot random dot rand int 2030. So what this function will return, it will return any random value in between the range of 20 to 30. So from 20 to 30, 21 22 23 up to 30. So for me it returned 29. Okay, I suggest you to try this. Now next, if I'm storing it in b, so whatever value is written by this function, I'm storing in b, and now I'm checking the type of b. So what is the type of b? It is integer. As the value is integer, it will return int. Now next is rand function. Okay, what will it do? C equals to np dot random dot rand, and here I'm mentioning number of rows and number of columns. 2 is number of rows and 3 is number of columns. Now what will it create? It will create array members, matrix members with some fractional numbers. Okay, 0 point any digits, 0 point 0 point 0 point, all in the fractional numbers of in between 0 to 1. And if suppose I display the dimension of this matrix, so it will return 2, as it is two-dimensional matrix. Okay, it is having 2 rows and 2 columns. It's a two-dimensional matrix. So this was about the package random. Hope you understood this one. Hope to see in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel. Thank you.